Good morning, children. Back to our class, third English.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Lesson.
Good afternoon, teacher. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Mute your system. Mute your system. Mute. Back to our class, Standard 3 English. Open your main course book. Lesson number 3, the magic letter.
Good afternoon.
The magic letter. In this lesson,
Good afternoon.
good afternoon. Now will you pay attention? Mute your system. In this lesson, we are going to learn about festivals, about friends from different community. Why do we celebrate festival? What is the importance of festival? And what does festival give us? My first question is, why do we celebrate festival? Why do we need a festival? Why do we celebrate festival? We celebrate festival to share our happiness, to feel happy. It is a part of ritual.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. It is a part of a ritual ceremony in the house. What we do, we offer some prayer and puja to our god and goddesses. Yes, we prepare tasty dishes, we prepare sweets, we celebrate, we call our near and dear ones, we distribute the sweets to our neighbors, to our relatives. This is sharing our love and affection with one another. Now some of the festivals that we celebrate, many festivals are there, many are there, but some are very important, which we celebrate only once a year, like Christmas, Diwali, Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid ul Fitr. Many are there. Every month you will have a festival, but among all this festival, the most important are celebrated throughout our country, like Diwali, Christmas, Dashera, Ganesh Chaturthi, Holi, Ramzan, and many more. What happens during festival? Festival brings people together. Festival brings people together. There is love and affection.
Ma'am, grammar or book? English textbook or English grammar?
Sharing and caring. It is English reader book. Mute your system.
Okay.
Okay? English reader book. Lesson number 3. Lesson number 3. Page number 17. Festivals brings people together. Festivals, celebrating festivals, we create a kind of bonding or oneness among ourselves. We share our happiness. So, to some extent, festival puts people together, yes, and we come together as one family. Today, we will see about two friends from two different community, how they celebrate their festival and how they are connected with each other. Lesson 3, the magic letter. Now in your textbook, page number 17, you see there are pictures given. Look at these pictures and write the names of the festival. Now when you see in the first picture, You see heaps of colors, heaps of
Holi.
color.
Holi.
It symbolizes the festival of
Holi.
colors. We call it as festival of colors, festival of colors or Holi. During the festival of Holi, there is no restriction for others. Ki you should not celebrate Holi or you should not be part of Holi. Everybody takes interest and enjoys the festival of colors, Holi. Rich and poor, old and young, people from different community, they take part in the celebration of Holi because you get that happiness and enjoyment. The second picture tells you there is a diya burning there. A diya is lit. So this
Diwali. Diwali.
picture,
Diwali. Diwali. Diwali.
what did I tell you in the beginning of the class?
Diwali.
You shout and scream, your voice is getting recorded and I will remove you from the meeting. The third picture shows about the birth of Jesus. The third picture in your textbook shows the birth of Jesus, which we celebrate or we call it as Christmas on 25th December. So the third picture tells us about the birth of Jesus Christ. And so every year on 25th December we celebrate Christmas. Coming back to our lesson, Vikram is the name of a child who is in this lesson. Vikram regularly sends puzzles to his dear friend Azaz. On Eid, Azaz gets another puzzle from Vikram. Read this story to find out if the puzzle is different from other times. So there are two friends, one is a Hindu and the second one is a Mohammedan, and both are very good friends, very close friends. Azaz lives in Haryana. Azaz lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. So one lives in north and one lives in south. One lives in north and one lives in south. Now Azaz, he lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. Even though they live so far away from each other, they are best friends. We have our best friends in our class. We have our best friends in our neighborhood. We have our best friends in school. But here in this lesson or in this story, we have two friends who are staying far away from each other. One lives in Haryana, in the north side of India, and one lives in Andhra Pradesh, to the south side of India. And yet, they are very good friends. You can say they are the best friends. Not long ago, Azaz and Vikram had been neighbors. Now, Haryana is far away from Andhra Pradesh. Azaz lives in Haryana and Vikram lives in Andhra Pradesh. But some time ago, Azaz and Vikram had been neighbors. They were neighbors, both were neighbors staying together or staying close by. They were neighbors. The two boys had loved playing cricket, solving riddles, and eating biryani. So, how did these two boys spend time together? What did they do? How did they spend their time? What did they do? The two boys had loved playing cricket. They loved playing cricket. They loved to play cricket. Both the boys were interested in sports. The two boys had loved playing cricket, solving riddles, and eating biryani. Who doesn't like to eat biryani? Everybody likes to eat biryani. So both the friends, Azaz and Vikram, they spent time together playing, solving riddles, and eating delicious biryani. They had celebrated everything together from birthdays to festivals. So, because both were good friends, both were neighbors, both spent time together, and both would celebrate all the events, all the functions, and all the festivals. So, both of them had interest in celebrating everybody's birthdays and celebrating all the festivals. Azaz had been sad when his best friend moved away, but Vikram's letter always cheered him up. He loved solving the puzzles that Vikram sent to him. So one fine day, both of them, both the friends, they got separated. Maybe his parents got a transfer, they got a different job, so they both got separated. Azaz and Vikram, they got separated because they had to go, they had to leave that place and go to different place. Azaz had been sad when his best friend moved away, but Vikram's letter always cheered him up. He loved solving the puzzles that Vikram sent to him. Though they got separated, though they went far away, Vikram was in touch with Azaz by sending or by writing letters to him. Vikram was in touch with Azaz by sending letters or writing letters, and he used to send him to solve puzzles. He used to send him puzzles to solve. But on the day of Eid, an envelope from Vikram arrives. So it was the festival of Eid. Eid celebration was going on. On the day of Eid, on that particular day, on the day of Eid, an envelope from Vikram arrived. So Vikram sent an envelope to Azaz. Vikram, Azaz opens it and pulls out a card. So what did Vikram send? Vikram sent a card for Azaz. So on the day of Eid, an envelope arrives from Vikram, and Azaz opens it and pulls out a card. When Azaz opens the card, when Azaz opens the envelope, he finds a beautiful card inside. It was sent by Vikram, his best friend. And what was written inside? Eid Mubarak Azaz. It was written, Eid Mubarak Azaz. A surprise awaits you. Read this letter. So, this was the message given in the letter or the envelope. When Azaz opens, he finds a card inside, and in the card it was written, Eid Mubarak Azaz, Eid Mubarak Azaz, a surprise awaits you. So Vikram is asking Azaz that he has sent some puzzles to solve. So he's saying, a surprise is waiting for you. Read the letter. As Azaz opens the letter, he wonders what Vikram has sent him. The last time it had been a number puzzle. So Azaz goes inside and He opens the card or the letter and is about to read it. As Aizaz opens the letter, he wonders what Vikram has sent him. The last time it had been a number puzzle. So Vikram keeps sending him puzzles, different puzzles, and Aizaz keeps solving and enjoying it. So he's wondering now what will be this time. Wait, the paper is blank. Is this a mistake? Is he supposed to turn the piece of paper into something? So this time when he gets a letter, an envelope, and he opens, there was a card, and he said that there is some puzzle surprise for him. And when Azaz opens the letter, he does not find anything. What does he see? He sees only a blank paper. So Azaz is shocked. He is surprised now. What is this? He says, wait, the paper is blank. Is this a mistake? Is he supposed to turn the piece of paper into something? So all sorts of questions are arising in Azaz's mind. Did you forget to write something? Did you forget to send me puzzles? He has sent me a blank paper. What should I do with this? So he's confused now. Azaz tries to fold it. Nothing happens. He holds the paper to the light. He rolls it and looks through it. He runs his finger on the
You can
surface
tell the
of the
English book
paper.
name.
Nothing happens. So Azaz, he takes the paper sent by his friend and he tries all possible ways to see if he can get any clue or any puzzle found. Please mute your system. Azaz tries to fold it. Nothing happens. He holds the paper to the light. He rolls it and looks through it. He runs his finger over the surface of the paper. Nothing happens. So Azaz, he tries all his tricks to find out if anything is hidden or hiding inside the paper, but he does not get anything. Azaz looks at the card again. That's when he notices the orange and yellow flame on the card. So he becomes very restless to know what is his friend sent for him. What is the surprise? So he tries all his ways to find out. And finally, Azaz looks at the card again. That's when he notices the orange and yellow flame on the card. So that is when Azaz he notices the orange and yellow flame on the card. Had Vikram colored it? But wait, Vikram does not like to color. So there are so many questions going on in his mind. He's asking the questions to himself. Azaz rushes to the kitchen. Ammi, I need something hot. So Azaz, he goes to the kitchen and he tells his mother, Ammi, I need something hot. Ammi wipes her hand on a towel. The biryani isn't ready, Azaz. You'll have to wait. When Azaz goes to the kitchen and tells his mother he wants something hot, mother thinks that Azaz wants something to eat. And she tells him that food, that is biryani, is not yet ready. You have to wait for some more time. I don't want to eat biryani, Azaz explains that he wants to read the letter to read Vikram's message. So he says he wants to read his friend's letter, which his friend has sent, and there is a surprise puzzle for him. Ammi helps him light a candle with the flame from the stove. Azaz takes the paper close to the candle. Children, on page number 18, you can see in the kitchen that is Ammi and Azaz, and Ammi is holding a lit candle, and Azaz is holding the letter close to the candle and trying to read what has been written in the letter. So Ammi helps him light a candle with the flame from the stove. Azaz takes the paper close to the candle. If you if you hold the paper too close to the flame, it will burn. Ammi warns him. So mother, that is Azaz's mother, Ammi, she tells him, don't take the paper close to the candle. If you take it very close, the paper will burn because the candle is burning. He holds the paper at a safe distance from the candle and taps his foot impatiently. Azaz has become very restless now. He's become very impatient. He just wants to know what is there in the letter, what his friend has written to him, or what his friend has sent the puzzle. What will happen? A few moments later, brown lines appear on the paper. A few moments later, brown lines appear on the paper as if by magic. So Azaz, he takes the letter near to the candle, and in some moments, in some time, he sees some brown lines appear on the paper as if it was some magic. Wow, look at these words. Ammi, shouts Azaz. So Azaz is very excited, is very happy now. He says, wow, look at these words, Ammi. And he screams in excitement. Where we play with marbles. Ammi reads the words. Ammi reads the words out loud along with Azaz. She is confused by the message, but Azaz jumps with excitement. Now, there is a message sent by his friend Vikram to Azaz. And the message is where we play with marbles. Azaz's mother, Ammi, does not understand the message, but Azaz is so happy, he is so overjoyed, so excited with the message. Ammi reads the words out loud along with Azaz. She's confused by the message, but Azaz jumps with excitement. I know where to go, shouts Azaz. He runs down to flight of stairs, past a parking area, and stops in front of a bench. Now, there is a short message given in the story. The message is where we play with marbles. I did not understand, you did not understand, but Azaz understood because his friend has sent in the message. Now, what is that message? What does that message carry? What does that message tell you? What exactly he is trying to do with him? What kind of puzzle is this? What kind of puzzle? What kind of puzzle is this that both are playing? Now, Vikram sends letter to Azaz. He sends some puzzles, and Azaz solves the puzzle, and he feels very happy. And Vikram sends him greetings for Eid, and along with that, he sends him a puzzle. And he tries his level best to find out what is that message. And in the message, it is written where we play with marbles. So this was the message. Ammi does not understand the meaning of the message. Ammi does not understand the meaning of the message where we play with marbles. But Azaz, he understood what his friend is trying to tell him or asking him to do. And soon he becomes very happy, excited, and he wants to go to the place where they play marbles. And after going there, he will understand what is the puzzle or what is the real message given by his friend. And will he be successful in solving the puzzle or finding out the right answer? We will see in the next class about Vikram and Azaz, who are two best friends who are staying far away from each other, and yet they are close with each other by keeping in touch, by writing letters and keeping themselves close in friendship, that is, but by writing or asking about each other, to being close or keeping in touch with